What is this? It is just a cup, right? You drink from it, you wash it, you forget it. But when I put on these glasses, I don't see a cup. I see the dirty hands of the man who dug the clay. I see the fire that baked it. I see the truck driver who drove all night to bring it to the store. We usually only see the product. We rarely see the person. Today's story is about an angry man who learned to see the invisible world of kindness. Let's listen to The Man with the Magic Glasses. Once upon a time, there was a man named Mr. Stone. Mr. Stone was very rich, but he was very grumpy. He complained about everything. If his coffee was cold, "This is terrible." If his shirt had a wrinkle, "This is garbage." If the traffic was slow, "Stupid drivers." He lived in a big house full of beautiful things, but to him, they were just things. He didn't care about them. He only cared about the price. "I paid $500 for this. It should be perfect," he would shout. One day, Mr. Stone broke his reading glasses. Crack! He was angry. Cheap plastic! He walked into a small, dusty shop called the Eye Opener. Inside, there was an old man with bright blue eyes. "I need new glasses," shouted Mr. Stone, "and I want the best ones. I want to see everything perfectly." The old man smiled. "Everything?" he asked. "Yes, every detail," said Mr. Stone. "Very well," said the old man. "I have a special pair. They are not for reading books. They are for reading life." The old man handed him a pair of heavy silver glasses. "These are free," said the old man, "but be careful. Once you see the truth, you cannot unsee it." Mr. Stone laughed. "Whatever, give them to me." He put the glasses on his nose. At first, the room looked blurry. He looked at the wooden floor. Suddenly, the wood disappeared. Instead of a floor, he saw a forest. He saw a strong man cutting down a tree with an axe. Chop, chop. He saw the man wiping sweat from his forehead. He saw the man carrying the heavy wood in the snow. Mr. Stone blinked. "Whoa," he said. "What was that?" Mr. Stone walked out of the shop wearing the glasses. He went to a cafe to buy his morning coffee. Usually, he just grabbed the cup and grunted. But today, he looked at the coffee in the cup. Through the glasses, the dark liquid changed. He saw a mountain in Brazil. He saw a woman picking coffee beans in the rain. Her hands were rough. She was tired. But she was smiling at her baby, who was sleeping on her back. He saw the beans drying in the sun. He saw the ship crossing the ocean. Mr. Stone felt dizzy. "All of that," he whispered. "All of that just for my $3 drink?" Mr. Stone looked down at his own shirt. It was a nice white silk shirt. Usually, he just thought, "This is a shirt." But through the glasses, he saw a factory. He saw a young girl sitting at a sewing machine. Zit, zit, zit. It was hot in the factory. Her fingers were fast. She was sewing the button on the exact shirt he was wearing. He touched the button. He felt a strange connection to the girl. He thought, "She made this for me. I don't even know her name." Mr. Stone walked home. The world was loud with stories. He looked at the road. He saw the workers pouring hot tar in the summer sun. He looked at the apple in the market. He saw the farmer climbing the ladder. Everywhere he looked, he saw effort. He saw sacrifice. He realized that he was not independent. He was supported by thousands of invisible strangers. He felt heavy. He felt ashamed. "I complained about my coffee, but I never thanked the woman in the rain." Mr. Stone arrived home. His wife, Martha, was setting the table for dinner. Usually, Mr. Stone ignored her. He just sat down and ate. But tonight, he looked at her through the glasses. He didn't just see Martha. He saw love. He saw her waking up early to go to the market. He saw her chopping the vegetables carefully because she knew he liked them small. He saw her burning her finger on the stove and hiding the pain. He saw her waiting by the window, hoping he would come home happy. He saw that every plate of food was a message, "I love you." Mr. Stone started to cry. Martha was surprised. "What is wrong, dear? Is the soup cold?" Mr. Stone took off the magic glasses. He put them on the table. He looked at his wife with his own eyes, but he didn't need the glasses anymore. The image was in his heart. He took her hands. "No, Martha, the soup is perfect. Thank you. Thank you for the soup. Thank you for the cleaning. Thank you for waiting." Martha smiled. It was the first time in years he had said, "Thank you." From that day on, Mr. Stone changed. He didn't complain about the traffic. He thought about the tired bus driver. He didn't complain about the slow waiter. He thought about the waiter's sore feet. He became the kindest man in the city. He realized that the world is not a machine. The world is a web of people helping people. And even though he was rich, he learned that the most expensive things in life, love, effort, and care, cannot be bought. They can only be appreciated. My friends, put on your magic glasses today. Look at the phone in your hand. How many people worked to build it? Miners, engineers, truck drivers? Look at your dinner tonight. Look at your mother or your wife. Don't just see the food, see the love. When you see the hidden story, you cannot be angry. You can only be grateful. Thank you for listening to The Man with the Magic Glasses. See the invisible today. Goodbye.